1. Deep sleep body relaxation. Welcome to Relax Zone. Gently close your eyes and take a slow, deep breath in and softly breathe out. Feel your body beginning to relax. Bring your awareness to your head. Release any tension in your forehead, your eyes, your jaw. Let your shoulders sink down. Your arms feel heavy and calm. Take another deep breath, and as you exhale, let go of the day. With every breath out, you feel lighter, calmer, quieter. There's nothing you need to do. Just rest in this moment. Let your thoughts fade gently, like waves slowly reaching the shore. You are safe, you are calm, drift into sleep, naturally and peacefully. Good night.